what you can do is highly recommended those. So this is the most connected point for me. Most connected point for me. This is the most connected point. You have a number of repeated expenses are there. A number of repeated expenses are there. Okay. Track, list out all those repeated expenses in your case. Give to the cloud. I heard somewhere, if possible and safe, if any repeated expenses are there, is it possible to convert a long-term property or long-term value or long-term value, long-term asset or value? Like I had some conclusion. Can you please check, is any possibility of converting, okay, these repeated expenses into a long-term value? Can you check all the possibilities? Like you can ask. You can ask all the possibilities like that. Then automatically it is going to create some new ideas for you. Some new ideas for you. Okay. So that really, you never going to think in that direction that such type of new ideas you people are going to get. Ask ChatGPT or ask the cloud. Okay. A simple example I'm going to tell for you people. A simple example I'm telling so that you people are going to get what kind of idea. Okay. Every day assume that I'm coming by auto or I'm coming by auto or otherwise by cab to the office. To come to the office, 100 rupees I'm paying. To go from the office to the home, another 100 rupees I'm paying. It is a repeated activity for me every day. It is a repeated expense for me every day. Yo, are you getting my point? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So if any expense is the repeated, is there any chance to convert into long-term asset or long-term value? Convert your repeated expenses into a long-term value or asset is there. How I can convert this expense into long-term asset or long-term value? Like I'm asking. So, sir, coming by auto or coming by cab, where is the question of long-term value, long-term asset? Like you may have the doubt. Okay, sir, ChatGPT is going to tell. I asked the same question to the ChatGPT man, not today. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I asked the same question. Then ChatGPT told Durga, how much distance? Just 2 kilometers. Better to take bicycle and better to come by bicycle. Okay, option 1. Okay, don't laugh. Better to come by bicycle. The biggest advantage is your health, the physical fitness is going to be improved. The second thing is money is going to be saved. One thing. The second thing, okay, why don't you buy one electric vehicle and just one-time investment kind of thing, one-time investment kind of thing, but forever it's going to be helpful for you. Is the second option it is telling. Third option, okay, why you have to avoid that. Okay, so if you are cycling, you require to do that activity. If you are driving, if you are bike, you require to drive. So if you are sitting in auto or cabin, why don't you utilize that journey time to explore new things, to learn a new skill? Why don't you use that journey time into a long-term value like it's going to it provided them? Are you in the position to understand?
Yes.
I never thought that it is going to auto only or cab only. It's going to tell maybe take your own bike and better to use or take the cycle like that. But the third point what it is provided is, why don't you think about in this direction also? Almost around 10 minutes, 15 minutes you are going to journey. Every day some 2 points or 3 points if you are going to land, then over period of time, over long term, how many points you are going to learn? How many things, a new skill you can build over period of time? Why don't you tell in this direction? Like ChatGPT told me. Really, my mind got blocked like anything by saying that. I hope it's clear for you.